Hey people, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is about the Q&A session that I already posted in the community post, and I asked you guys to ask some questions there so that I can make a Q&A video. Although I promise you guys that I will make this video after 10th of July, but sorry for that I couldn't give you this video on right time. So the thing was, I already told in my yesterday's video that I was busy with my graduation after that parting because everything went so smooth, and after that I changed my room. You can see the background is little new. Soon I'm gonna share a new vlog about the room tour. So these days I'm kind of cleaning my rooms, and after that I will share that video also. So the thing is, first of all, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, go and watch all of my videos. My channel is about an Indian who is living inside South Korea, who tells you about the KGSP scholarship, that is Korean government scholarship program, that you can get it for your higher studies. Like if you want to do your undergraduation, graduation, masters, PhD, whatever you want to do with your life, you can get the KGSP and can get the money from the Korean government to support your studies inside South Korea. So secondly, I also share some of the vlogs when I travel inside South Korea. I make the vlogs also, so go and check out those videos and let me know and let me know if you like those videos and if you want me to make more videos like that. And in addition to that, I also make some kind of poetry videos, and if you like them also, please let me know. Okay, so and comment in the video sections if you want to ask anything about me or about an Indian who is living inside South Korea or anything about South Korea. Okay, so this was the introduction. I think I know it was pretty long, but I cannot help with that. Okay, so starting from the question directly, there is one guy called Dinesh Yadav who asked me, for reward and extracurricular activity, what does it include? Other than study, can we include dance, sports, and any rally that we manage for undergraduate? So I already told in my previous videos, I don't know if you guys watch it or not, I already told about this, that award include anything. Okay, anything, whether it's a dance competition or a sports competition or you know, some kind of science debate or something like that, whatever you have, you can put into that while applying for this scholarship into the award section. Okay, that will give you the advantage, of course. The second question is, what will be the forms and instructions for undergraduates will be out. So I already made the video for undergraduate. There are 3 dedicated videos for that. Please go and watch out those videos if you want to know how to apply for undergraduation through KGSP scholarship. The form stuff should be handwritten or printed, means any way is fine, but I think you should prefer the you should type by yourself. That will be more clean and easy to understand. Okay, but if you have good handwriting, you can also write that way also. I don't think it matters, but I prefer and I recommend you to write by the computer, like typing. Please type your things. Okay, please do an interview with someone from business or economics major, please. I will try to find some friend of mine who is doing the business or economic thing. Then if I find a good friend and who is ready to have the interview, I will definitely bring on my channel. Okay, do I need to carry any document for interview in MHRD office? It depends upon the different requirements asked by the embassy, asked by MHRD office in India. On my time, they asked me to bring all of the documents with me, and they didn't ask me to post. But in 2020 application, they asked people to send them by post. So I don't know for 2021, 2022 how it will go. Okay. So can you give any tip for undergraduate KGSP apply? Shall I hand over the forms directly to MHRD, Delhi, or parcel them? I already explained this question, I think. It'll take only 1 hour to go there. I think it's better to parcel them rather than going directly, or whatever, you can do either way. It depends on the embassy or MHRD office how they ask for the documents. So just wait for their announcement first. Can I choose 3 major from 3 different? Yes, you have the right to choose 3 different major from 3 different universities. Do I have lower chances of being selected if I apply for economics or business major? Especially for India, I think this statement is somewhat right, that students will be preferred more if they want to study science or Korean literature or Korean studies, something like that. But don't lose hope. There are students who already got selected for economics and business, and there will be students who will be selected. Okay, so what account to you is most preferred job for commerce student? I don't know, I don't have any idea of commerce, so I cannot tell you about that. What is IEQS? Sorry for that, I also don't know what is IEQS. I will search and let you know. Okay, what is medical assessment in detail, what does it conduct and all? So there are two types of medical assessment. One is self-assessment. When you apply for this scholarship, you have to self-attest yourself, like you have to take that I don't have this disease, I don't have this problem, this and this. There is a specific form NID ask in the application form. You can go into the description section and check out that application form and can see what are different things they ask. And secondly, when you pass the second round of the application process, you will get the proper medical examination form from the NID, and that you have to go to the hospital and have all the tests done, and then the doctor will write something about your test or something like that. Okay, what according to you is the number of students going to apply for KGSP undergraduate? I don't know. If you are from India, yes, I think Monty Yadav is from India, so I don't know. These days people are more aware about the scholarships, but so there will be competition, I think. When will the forms for undergraduate will be out? Undergraduate forms will come out in October or November, depending upon the situation this time, because you know this corona shit. I am not sure about this. Do you think that other than science students or other streams means? I already answered to this question. What is the quota for undergraduate this year? The announcement is not out yet, so I cannot tell you what is the quota right now. Government provide dorm facility with scholarship. So the thing is, you will get $900 to $1,000 almost for monthly, like for your monthly expenses. So in that you have to pay for the dormitory, and for the first year of language course you have to stay in the dormitory if you don't have topic. And for the next time you can either stay out with that money or can stay in the dormitory and pay to the dormitory by yourself. Okay, for personal statement, they provide any headlines to write over? Yes, they provide. Inform the major I want to apply isn't mentioned, so it means that the major is not spotted. Please in that case go to the university guidelines first and see if any university is providing that course or not. In the word limit of personal statement, they ask in that form. Go to the NID guidelines and check it out there. For maths UG course, in the interview for UG scholarship, will they ask questions related to maths or from chemistry, physics also? I am not sure. I think they will probably ask about maths, because me too, I wanted to apply for probiotics and immunology, and they asked me the courses regarding the immunology together with my undergraduate courses. This year somebody informed me that only science students can apply through university track for undergraduate, so I just want to confirm it, that is there or not. I don't think it's there. I already made a video for undergraduate. Please go and check out those videos. Those videos I made using the 2020 guidelines, so I don't think I heard any of this thing or I read there. So please go and check out that first. Okay. How can we increase our chances to get selected from this track if we don't have any good percentile, as there are only 3 seats from India? That's a little hard if you don't have good percentile. Yes, the competition is pretty high this time. If I apply, sir, if I apply for KGSP scholarship, will it allow me to join a college, university in India side by side, or do I have to drop the whole year? So you can join the college and then you can apply, and if you get it, you can leave the college. I need to fill the application form, provide the certain documents and courier to MHRD office to be called for interview. Yes, but it depends. Like on my time they asked me to bring the documents, but 2020 applicants, they asked them to post them. I'm currently in class 12. Can I apply as undergraduate? Yes. Manual exam would be conducted in March and the results will be out in April. So according to the 2020 guidelines, they ask if your results are out till 31st of March, then you can apply. Okay, so otherwise you have to wait. Can we do a part-time job while we are under this call? I already made a video on that. Please go and check out the cards and watch that video. I already explained about the part-time jobs, whether can you do it or not during your study period. If I'm selected to the scholarship and when we arrive in Korea, how can we know where to go, or address or bus number? You just need to stay at the airport when you will get the final letter from the NID, your language university will contact you by themselves, and they will send you all the information where they will meet at the airport. They will send you the map, they will send you the pillar number, they will send you the timing, what time they are coming, they will send you the names of the people who are it will be written in Korean language. How can you understand that? Okay, they will tell you everything. I already told you, don't need to worry about that. And detail about recommendation letter from online application to offline procedure. Okay, I already made a video about the recommendation letter also, although it was not a specific video only for the recommendation letter. The thing is, you can get the recommendation letter from the people who know you academically and can judge you on the basis of your performance throughout your master's, graduate, or your school courses, right? So or studies. So the people who can judge you, who can write something about you, and who have those authorities that is specifically academicians, like who are related to your academics, so they can write the recommendation letters for you. I am a KGSP scholar of 2020. I am coming in Korea September. Nice to know that. And my language institute is Keimyung University. Could you please tell me in the Keimyung University dorm have kitchen facility? I will check it out for you, and I am very happy to know that you got the scholarship, and welcome to Korea. I hope I will see you in Korea, and I will check it out for you. Please join me on Instagram. I will connect to you. Sorry for that. Okay, so I will connect to you guys through Instagram. You can go and check out my Instagram ID here and follow me there. There are some Instagram lives that I do for you people. If you have any question, if you want the instant reply, you can follow me on Instagram, and I try to come live like twice in a week, so it's better to join me there. I know I was not active during the past few days, but from now on I'm more active on Instagram, I'm more active on YouTube. So if you have any questions, you can join me live. Okay, so do I need to register myself online anywhere to apply for the scholarship? No, I don't think you or the only thing you need, if you're applying for embassy track, the MHRD will have specific application form online that you have to fill and print out the physical form, like the hard copy. I have doubt that if I applied through embassy track and couldn't get selected, can I try again through university track at the same time, or do I have to wait for apply for again next year? So basically university track dates come how to say university choose students before. I have a doubt that if I applied through embassy track and couldn't get selected, can I try again through university track at the same time? No, I don't think you have the chance to apply for university track again, because university track is basically how to say this, university track is basically okay. So the next question is, I have doubt that if I applied through embassy track and couldn't get selected, can I try again through university track at the same time, or do I have to wait to apply next year? Yes, you have to wait, I think, because both of the tracks has different deadlines and different dates for application. I think university track closes the application before embassy track, so I don't think you can apply for the university track at the same time. And can I apply for KGSP undergraduate while being in college? Yes, you can. And is there any change in examination dates due to COVID-19? I'm not sure about that. If I'm applying for KGSP embassy track, I need to send my notarized document and application form to Delhi, and then I will be called for interview. For the first step is something else. I already told you in this video, so please get your answer from there. How you selected in the scholarship? Is it like a lucky draw or something? Do we have to give an exam for it? If no, then how the government select us? So it was not a lucky draw, okay? Now I can say it was not a lucky draw, because now I passed this scholarship successfully. Now I can show off. So it was not a lucky draw. I was pretty hardworking guy who has like 98% of marks and stuff like that. No, actually I think it was a lucky draw. I don't know, I just applied for the scholarship. I had good grades, I had good writing skills for writing the statement of purpose. If you know I'm a writer, you can go and check out my poetry videos and let me know if you like the videos or not. Okay, so I'm a good writer also. I think I'm a good writer, so I wrote the study plan and everything nicely. I prepared my document nicely. I applied for the scholarship and I got it. I don't think it was a lucky draw though. Do we have to give an exam for it? No, you don't need to give any exam. Only thing you can do is just to improve your CV by doing like internships or getting some language exams or something like that, or if you have any awards to put in the award section, that will help you. Right, somewhere in the internet that I have to get selected in all of them which I will choose. No, you need to be selected only by one university so that you can send that name to the NIID. If any one of them rejects, no, it's not true. I got selected by 2 universities out of 3 universities that I chose. Well, I'm selected if I get 90% in 12 boards. Yes, of course. It's too much. How much time do I need to get a response from a professor for applying PhD? I don't know. Every professor has different mindsets. When will the form for undergraduate will be out? I already told is in September or October, depending upon Corona situation this time. I'm not sure about that. UG scholar do their graduate course without running back to their countries. Is there any way can KGSP scholar do their graduate course also without returning? Yes. I think from 2018 or 19 they started giving the scholarship to the already selected KGSP scholars. Okay, so even this time one friend of mine got the KGSP second time and I'm jealous of him now. Yeah, so I think you can still apply for the KGSP again. If not, then you can get the master's degree under some project funds under some professor, so don't worry about that. You don't need to go back if you don't want to. Hello, should I apply for KGSP for Masters in Biotechnology after my graduation completion or during my final semester in the February or March? Should I apply for Spring 2021 or Fall 2022 in Korean universities? If you want to apply for Masters, then only option you have is the fall semester. That's the first thing, okay? And during my final semester in February or March, should I apply for Spring 20? You cannot apply for Spring 2021. The Masters, if you want to apply through KGSP, the only choice you have is the fall semester. Do you know about someone that passed with the scholarship to visual no, sorry, I don't have anyone from visual communication design. Or do you know which university or no? Please go to the university guidelines and check it out there. Do we have any other scholarship available other than KGSP or GKS? I already made 2 dedicated videos. There is a fellowship, and if you have someone known inside South Korea or inside the department that you want to join, that will help you because they can give you some kind of recommendation letters or they can recommend you to their professors. My university is under GKS, would you help me? I already gave link so many times in my previous videos in the description section for the university guidelines. Please go and check out that link. You will get the universities. I have been selected this year as a scholar. Nice to know that, and congratulations. Welcome to Korea. I would like to know about the phone plans, like after we reach Korea, how do we manage SIM cards and all. Once you come here, you will get everything, okay? You don't need to worry about that. You can get the SIM at the airport also, but that is pretty expensive. But later on, when you have your ARC, that is alien registration card, that is an ID inside South Korea, so when you get that one, you can have the proper SIM. Otherwise, you can also have the SIM card on your passport, but that will be I think it's just for 3 or 4 months. You have to change it to your ARC, otherwise it will not work. So what you did with the settlement alliance? I bought my blanket, I bought the pillow, I bought some of the stuff that I needed in my room. Okay, where will we find the application form for undergraduates? I already made a video. Please go and watch the video. I'm not gonna give reply to these questions. They were giving application form guidelines, application forms with both in English, Korean. They are mentioning that it should be in English, or I have problem finding application form. Sorry, I made undergraduate videos, 3 videos for undergraduation. Please go and check out those videos first, and then I can give reply to your questions. You can find the application form there, okay? Will they announce for scholarship for UG because of Corona? I'm not sure about that. They are given if above 80% they will provide scholarship. I already told I think the same question I got today in my Instagram live, that It's for total or just each subject will be counted? I think it's for total. KGSP for 2020 eligibility, please go and check out my videos. What's the current situation or more precisely scope of pharmacy, biotech, microeducation and MBA in Korea? I am not sure about the courses, so I don't want to talk about this. You have to search by yourself. Please do some hard work and find by yourself. And in case you have any question for the application for applying for a particular course or knowing about some specific university, I can tell you, but I cannot compare like this broad range of different courses. And that got in global MBA in SKKU. Yes, I have a friend there who already graduated last semester. Is it possible for you to help me to recommend anyone with university track experience or maybe interview someone who applied through university track? Yes, I can, but I don't think I have anyone from university track from India specifically, although I have friends from different countries. So if you want, please let me know. I can make that video. Go to Delhi because of Corona. Is there any online submission? I already answered this question. How can I choose the universities? I can't go to Delhi, so I will have to apply from university track, right? Then what is the first step? How should I contact professor? Can I email more than one professor for it? Yes, you can email more than one professor, and I already made a video for the university track. Please go and check out that video. I will put the link in the description section. So all the videos whatsoever I'm talking about in this live session, in this YouTube video, I just had a live session like 5 minutes ago, so I was thinking about that. Okay, so for all the videos or topics I'm talking about, I will put the link in the description section. Go and check out those videos. In India, I want to study in Korea. I emailed many universities, they didn't respond. I want to come in September 2021. Please help. So please email them on the right time. In yesterday video I told you that please mail them on the right time and they will reply you for sure if you email them on the right time. Why university tech? Do I only get to choose between natural science or engineering majors, or is it fine to choose from available major list on the university website? Yes, it's fine to choose from the university website. This is something I have seen somebody talking about. Do we have to maintain like certain grade or mark in order to keep getting? Yes, it is like above 4, I think. I made a video on that. Please go and check out that video. I don't want to give any number right now because I'm not sure about the guidelines. It's been a while I read the guidelines. Do they take your scholarship back if you are not? No, they will not take it. That will not happen. Don't worry about that. You will get grades easily. The only thing that is difficult is the Korean language course. Okay, so kindly advise taking for. Okay, I already replied. Can my Korean friend write me something like the invitation to submit? I don't think it can help you if it's a friend. If you have professor, then it will help. Yes, of course, international trade, international studies will help. And by the way, GP is 4, and please show us how to organize our documents. Yes, sooner or later I'm going to have a video, like maybe in the starting of August I will start making the videos for undergraduate people specifically, and when the right time will come I will make the videos again with the updated version for the graduate people. So what if I don't get a scholarship from the Korean government but I get a scholarship from the university like SNU, Yonsei and many more? Can I do a part-time job with that as well? Yes, I already made a video how to if you can do the part-time job or not. Please go and watch that video. Really tough in India, or there students well-known university got selected. I don't graduate well. I think I already gave the answer to this question. Yes, competition is high because of the population. Percentage for applying it, I already made the video for the grades. Okay, the last question, 10th standard percentage is 96.4 and 12th is 83. I already made the video for the grades. Please go and watch that video.